Our last method inside of the email class is called ZendMail. So we start with the private function ZendMail. Two curly brackets, and in between we start object message equals new, and now we're using namespaces because we're using Zend Framework 2, version 2, which uses namespaces. We need to obviously start using namespaces here. And now to get to the message class, we're going to use Zend \mail and then message. So that's our object message. I'm going to explain at some point, not within this series, but I'm going to create a series on namespaces as well, so you will be able to understand namespaces a little bit better. But basically, it's the structure, the folder structure. So we've got Zend folder, then we have mail folder, and then there is a message class. This way we can actually use the same names of the classes associated with different libraries. So we can have then, let's say, any other library. We've got Zend folder, obviously, if we open the five rows on the left, you can see we've got Zend. Then if we go scroll down, we have mail, and then we have message somewhere here, which is this one. As you can see, it's the namespace of this specific class is ZendMail, which means it's inside of the Zend and then mail folder. And that's how we're going to be basically calling this specific classes. So we've got our object message instantiated. So now we're going for object, and again I'm going to copy this to avoid any problems later on, and we're going for add to, and it's going to be this underscore to email, then comma this underscore to name. If I copy this line, paste it right underneath, next one will be add, sorry, it's not going to be add, it's going to be set from, and we're going to use underscore from email and underscore from name. Then we're going for the reply to, again, if isn't empty, this underscore reply to, then for each, this underscore reply to as row. And if I copy one of these, it's going to be add reply to, and let's put these items on the new line. So it's going to be row email, and then we have row name. Okay, so that's our reply to. Next one is the subject. So object message set subject, and the subject will simply be this underscore subject. Then we're going to create message parts. That's what we do with Zend. So we start with array parts equals array, and then we have attachments parts equals array as well. So we have two blank arrays where we're going to be adding elements to. First, we're going to add the body. So part HTML equals new Zend mime part, and we pass in this underscore body. Then let me just copy this object part HTML. Type equals text / HTML. And then we simply add it to our array parts. So array parts equals, and it equals our part HTML.